Hi everyone. Today we're going to read the poem The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. The road not taken. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveler, long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Though as for that the passing there, had worn them really about the same, and both that morning equally lay, in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. By Robert Frost. 1. Analysis. Structure. The poem consists of 4 stanzas with 5 lines each, quintans, and follows a consistent rhyme scheme, a bab. This structure mirrors the poem's theme of order and reflection. Irony. The poem is often misinterpreted as celebrating individualism, the road less traveled, but Frost himself suggested it was playful and ironic. The speaker admits both paths were worn about the same, yet later claims the choice made all the difference. Imagery. Frost uses vivid imagery of a yellow wood and diverging paths to symbolize life's choices. The undergrowth and grassy paths evoke a sense of mystery and uncertainty. 2. Theme. The central theme is the complexity of choice and its consequences. Key sub-themes include decision-making. The poem explores how we justify our choices, even when options seem equally valid. Individualism versus conformity. While the speaker claims to take the less traveled path, the reality is more ambiguous, questioning whether we truly forge unique paths or simply tell ourselves we do. Regret and reflection. The sigh in the final stanza suggests lingering doubt, highlighting how we romanticize or second-guess our decisions. 3. Message. The poem delivers a nuanced message. Choices define us. Even seemingly small decisions can shape our lives, as the speaker believes the road taken made all the difference. The illusion of certainty. The speaker's retrospective certainty, I shall be telling this with a sigh, contrasts with the poem's earlier ambiguity, reminding us that we often rewrite our past to fit narratives of purpose or uniqueness. Universal experience. Frost captures a universal human experience, the tension between free will and fate, and how we grapple with the paths we didn't take.